In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename items in Excel. So for instance, I have here an extra column and I want to rename this column 1 into quantity. To do so, just click on the cell you want to rename, and then you'll see on top here we have the same writings that were in our cell, and now you can now rename it from here. So go ahead and delete it using backspace and now rename it. As you write, you can see the changes are taking effect immediately on the column. So once you're done, just click outside and you are done. The same applies to this. For instance, this ballast, you can see if you click on it, you'll see the same word here. Go ahead and rename it to anything that you want. And once you're done, you're good to go. So that's how you rename cells in Excel. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.